Go ahead, Plato. Go ahead.
Nah, you just fucked up my day with that shit.
But you forgot to introduce yourself, though.
Nah.
Who are you?
Who I am is not important. They'll know in the long run.
You sure you don't want to introduce yourself?
Wow.
Tell us about yourself a little, Tyrone.
Oh, me? I'm a real brother. I'm not your average Negro. Not your Uncle Tom type of brother. I wouldn't say militant. I wouldn't say terrorist.
Rebel, maybe?
But I'm the...
Rebel?
But nah, not that. When the shit hits the fan, I'm gonna be Whitey's worst nightmare. That's who I am. Now I gotta stop saying, cause you fucking yo.
It's all gonna be out, don't worry about it. It's gonna be on YouTube.
Unbelievable. They're gonna fucking